Hi folks, welcome to another video of Linux. And who haven't created an AWS account, just follow my playlist. Just follow my first video in the playlist of DevOps and AWS. It is of how to create AWS account, so you can check it out. So today I will be covering a main topic, which is how to update Linux. How to update Linux machine. Like if you want to update Windows machine, so what you will do, you will write here update and you can check for updates. So yeah, but in the Linux it's all about commands. So which command is used for updating and how to install a software. Like in Windows you know how to install a software, but I show you how to install a software in Linux. So first we will go through this link and sign in to the console, and now I am in the AWS. So I am in AWS and that's my EC2 dashboard. EC2 means Elastic Cloud Compute. So it says EC2, like you also can see here, EC2 dashboard. So now I will start my instance by clicking here successfully started. So you can see here no IP address is available, but when the server runs, when the server starts running, so the IP address will be available to us. Now let's do one thing. You have to open putty and you have to go again and open putty. So now you can see the server is running and an IP address is generated. So you just have to paste this IP address. Before that you have to open this and you have to load your server key. So I have selected my key. Now you have to click on SSH. Now auth. Now browse server 1. So now open. You will accept this. So login using ec2-user. So most of the folks also, to be a root user you have to do sudo su. Now you can see, just change font. So I will be change font to 20 and bold, and font will be the same. Font style is bold, size is 20. Now color I choose for the font is purple. So purple, let's see. So yeah, it is also a great color. So let's do one thing guys, that I will be covering today how to update your machine. So you have to use yum update. So this is the command. So your command is yum, and update means to update the machine. So you have to enter this. So there is no package, so there are nothing to update, the machine is already updated. If you want to install some software, so what you will write, yum, command is same, install like you have to install Python. So I will write Python. So there is Python, not so in this machine the Python is already installed. So what I will do, I will do something else, like uh, yum install anything, like so there is a software which is called Git and GitHub. Some of you already familiar of that, so I will be installing that. Which, so to install that uh, you have to do yum install git. So now you can see the git is installing, and now it is saying that is this okay. you want to install or not. So it is asking that you want to install or not. I will give it a capital N. So it is not installed. So one thing I want to show you, if you do like this, first I have to clear, do ctrl plus L to clear. Now the command is yum install git hyphen y. Why I wrote hyphen y? Because like you see 2 minutes before that, it was the Linux is asking from me that you have to install or not. It is asking to press uh, y to yes and n for no. So I have written here hyphen y. So now at this moment, the git not the git the Linux will not ask me to install, it will just install, because hyphen y, all you have given hyphen y means you have given the permission, yes, install this software. So if I press enter, so like you can see that the task is completed, and the Linux doesn't ask me to give permission to say yes or no. So let's do one more time, installing another software. Yum install uh, http. So it is http. First I have to clear, so you can also write clear to clear the screen. And now yum install httpd. So now it is also installing. Now it is also asking again that if I want to do or not. So I will press N for no, I don't want to install. If I will write Y, so it will install it. So uh, I am writing N because I want to show you that what is the importance of hyphen Y. So let's just clear again. So command is same, just you have to type hyphen y. So you can do by entering, and at this time, at this moment, see, Linux doesn't ask me to give the permission to say yes or no. So that is the thing I want to show you in today's video. So I hope you all learned, and also try in your machine. And before signing off, just I want to show you that uh, stop the machine. It is a free advice for you, just stop the machine. And now remote side unexpectedly closed network connection. Okay, just cancel it, and the machine is stopping, you can see. So machine is stopping in few minutes, in 1 to 2 minutes it will stop automatically. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like button, also subscribe my channel. So in future I will be doing a course in Python, so you can also learn Python from me. And also I will be teaching you all cloud, AWS. Also I will be teaching you DevOps, so you can subscribe to my channel. And also in future I will be doing podcasts with some great people who are working in big MNC companies to share their journey. So you can subscribe to my channel so you never miss any update. So yeah, signing off now, signing off. I will be meeting you all in next video. Till then guys, bye bye.